Good afternoon, dear friends. It's me, Zafar, with my video. Belgium's protection of human rights remain a question. Belgium don't want to protect the people, giving protection to the human rights, protection of human rights. Thursday, 8 October 2020. Belgium don't want to protect people human rights, various organizations warned and report to the United Nations on Thursday. In view of the UN's Universal Periodic Review, which assesses the protection of human rights in member states every 5 years, present time the situation of human rights in Belgium is too worse. Belgium authorities misconducting immigrants for their asylum rights, appeal rights, and social benefits. They don't want to pay social rights to the people who are even in the asylum procedure. Social assistants, for example, who are working in CPIS office or in Catholic Dutch language, it is called OSMW office, don't want to pay attention even for the people medical treatment of illegal immigrants, including social help. They don't want to pay social help. Immigrants are in worse situation because they cannot get accommodation, renting house, medical facilities, and social help. Federal Migration Center Miria Director Kuhn de Wolf raises the difficulty for illegal residents to file a complaint when they are victim of violence or crime. They are afraid to go to the police, who could arrest or deport them. Often the Belgian police ignore and deceive foreigners or immigrants and lie to them. In 2012, 8 years before, I personally saw one Irish girl with her boyfriend. They say somebody give us on phone threat, so we want to report police because there is crime committing. I told them here is one police is passing, you can ask. By chance there was one police passed on his bicycle. So we stopped him and we want to report police. He ignored us and he ran away. This Irish girl and with her guy, they want to report because somebody give them threat on phone, on telephone in 2012. Okay, the area was between Molenbeek and Gare du Midi. The area was in 2012. Yeah, I want to give every proof. The three institutions have sent their report to the UN, which will examine the protection of human rights in Belgium in April 2021. The second news is also about Belgium, the Catholic Belgium. They are committing crimes. Judges obliged Belgium to immediately receive asylum seekers because they are sleeping on the roads. They apply online because now because of COVID-19 coronavirus. So the procedure is changed. You have to first apply online and then you will get appointment and then you can go to the reception centers. The Belgium has been convicted for the crime against immigrants who apply online for their asylum protection. Immigration office don't want to receive them. Don't receive them until now. The French-speaking court of first instance in summary proceedings in Brussels is now giving the state 30 days to rectify the situation. This was in the standard news. Immigrants are sleeping on the roads. They have no rooms, no food, no toilets, no drinks in this cold weather. So this is our Europe, this is our Belgium, this is our human rights. Even in 2020, not this is 1940 or 39 or 45, this is 2020, but these still people degrading us, misconducting us, bad treatment. They don't want to, government don't want to pay attention to us. So this was my news about today. So I want to appeal the people of Europe, the people of Belgium, please don't degrading the people, don't do don't misconduct behavior with the people. Respect others people, other religions and immigrants people who are coming here for protections. Thank you very much. Bye.